Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Kalka India. I'm your host Faraz Sher. आज हम आपको किसी स्कूल या कॉलेज में लेकर नहीं जा रहे हैं। हम आपको लेके जा रहे हैं एक ऐसी एकेडमी में जिसमें एडमिशन पाने के लिए हर साल तकरीबन 2 से 2.5 लाख बच्चे अपीयर होते हैं, लेकिन एडमिशन मिलता है सिर्फ 600 बच्चों को। हाय। Hi Major Rahul, I'm Faraz Sher from India TV.
Hi Faraz, we were expecting you. Welcome to National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla.
Major Rahul, I must say it is a beautiful place. I want to know everything about India. I want to explore every part of India.
I'll do something about it. Come here you cadets, come here. Meet him. He's Faraz from India TV. These guys are fifth termers. We'll show you the place around.
Get up, Faraz Sher.
Sun and minds. Hi. Guys, you should show Faraz every aspect of training and places within NDA. Yes sir. Got it?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Now they are my friends.
They are.
Right. Thank you so much for all the cooperation.
It's been a pleasure.
Well, Faraz, this is the science block,
Okay.
also known as the Manoj Pandey block.
Okay.
This is the place where you study science subjects.
Okay.
And Faraz, there is a speciality about this place. All those guys who study here, they're known as techies.
Techies.
Yes.
What is this techie?
Techie means all those BSc guys who are in science stream, they're known as techies.
Techies.
Yes.
Okay, like the person who's taking arts then?
He's called as a non-techie.
Non-techie.
Yeah,
Yes.
and someone who's chosen computer science as a subject is called as a super techie.
Super techie. Okay, tell me, how many of you are techie, non-techie and super techie?
Well, I'm a techie.
I'm a non-techie.
I'm a
You're a
super
non-techie.
I'm a super
I'm a techie again.
टेकी। अच्छा, ये होता है कि जो टेकी होते हैं और नॉन टेकी को कुछ नहीं समझते हैं, inferior समझते हैं।
Of course they are inferior. No, it's nothing like that.
Okay, let's go. नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी की पढ़ाई ग्रेजुएट लेवल की पढ़ाई है और एफिलिएटेड है दिल्ली के जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी से।
एनडीए में 3 ग्रेजुएट कोर्सेज हैं, बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स, बैचलर ऑफ साइंस एंड बैचलर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। लेकिन खास बात यह है कि एनडीए में इस ग्रेजुएशन लेवल की पढ़ाई के साथ साथ शामिल है डिफेंस की ट्राई सर्विस, यानी आर्मी, एयरफोर्स और नेवी की बेसिक ट्रेनिंग।
Well, Faraz, as we have already seen the chemical block and the science department, let me take you to the super techie block.
Okay, now tell me what exactly happens in this super techie department.
Actually, this is the place where we learn more about computers. We learn about the technical upgradations which are going to take place in the armed forces. And over here, we get a degree in BSc Computer Sciences.
BSc Computer Science. Okay. Can we just check it out? What's happening?
So how this insert button works out?
So in this case, when you click the insert button, the form tag is executed and it will return a value insert. So in this case, we are checking the first length, means you have clicked that button.
We'll now move on to the third point regarding the skills needed by officers of defense forces as system analysts. Now you should have adequate knowledge of say guns, various types of weapons, ammunition, radar systems, and hell lot of other things which we are using in army. And when I say tactical means employing all these things in various terrains, in various tactical situations.
Sir, as system analysts, what will be our role in defense forces?
You will be employed in various management information cells. You will be employed in various defense-oriented software development organizations, whether it is ship or whether it is your battalions in army. Wherever you go, in your own unit, you will be employed. You will be looking after all the computer system, and you will be training. You will be also training your troops.
This is the Department of Basic Engineering and
Okay.
Workshop, where cadets are imparted practical training in various aspects of basic engineering.
Okay.
And for us, mind you, this is the speciality of this place. Nowhere else in India you will find such basic engineering laboratory.
Nowhere else.
Nowhere else.
Okay, tell me, like, is it mandatory for every cadet in NDA?
Yes, of course. Cadet चाहे भी किसी भी stream का हो, he has to come here for one term.
Okay.
Techie, non-techie or super techie comes here for one term and completes his workshop training.
Okay.
Okay, there are various branches like the sheet metal shop, fitting shop, automobile shop, wood turning shop. There are all these. So we get to know about the basic idea of all the things which are here.
Okay, for example.
Suppose like if a vehicle gets stuck somewhere, अगर दूर पहाड़ों में अगर आपके पास कोई मैकेनिक वगैरह नहीं है, at that time you can detect the problem and you can mend it also. I'll show you. Like, you can't.
Okay.
See the parts of an automobile.
Okay, okay. And now with me is Colonel Khanpur, who is Director Training in National Defense Academy. इनके बारे में एक खास बात हम आपको बता दें कि ये एनडीए के कैडेट रह चुके हैं। आपको उस वक्त की कुछ खट्टी मीठी बातें याद हैं?
ये हमारे जो एकेडमिक इंस्ट्रक्टर होते हैं सिविलियंस जो इधर ही रहते हैं, हमारे टाइम का एक इंस्ट्रक्टर होता था मिस्टर केशवानी।
Okay.
और उनको हम कहते थे द एजुटेंट ऑफ द साइंस ब्लॉक। जोक व्हिच इज क्रेडिटेड टू हिम इज ही यूज्ड टू से कि कैडेट्स पता नहीं आजकल के कैसे हैं। When I go out alone, nobody salutes me. When I go out with my wife, some cadets salute me. But when I go out with my daughters, all cadets salute me twice over.
Any punishment you recall?
Yeah, of course. I remember the first termer that when we were standing and suddenly a sixth termer came in, he was returning from punishment. And as per the India tradition, we are made to look down at our buttons so that we don't see a senior being punished. And then the cadet sergeant major said, first termers, look up. Cadet Prasad has finished his 100th restriction here. Please give him a big hand. And we all clapped for him. And today, that officer is a colonel. He commanded his battalion in the valley. And he's done very well as one of our finest officers.
Wow, that's really amazing. And on this note, I take a break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.